guys, and welcome to today's video. Whenever this gets posted, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm really excited about because I've been taking a few Skillshare classes, and I'm back to YouTube. I'm back to like filming for you guys and continuing on with my channel. I had to take a 2-week break because unfortunately my dog Ansel, the boy dog Blenheim, he had got really sick over Thanksgiving. He is fine. He's doing great right now. But he had to get gallbladder surgery, and I didn't know how to protect my feelings and art. And so I took a break from art altogether. I took a break from YouTube, Instagram, detached myself from all that. But I'm back to answering your messages. I'm back to YouTube and everything and filming because he is doing well. He's doing so much better. And he's doing great. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that it was sudden, so it was very quick, and it just kind of came upon us. So I just wanted to update you guys on that and why I've been gone. And I know it's been like a 2-week break, but I really needed it, and I really needed to spend time with family and everything. So I took that break, and I took a break from Instagram as well. I just really needed that time. I know some of you felt like I was ignoring you, but you know, I wasn't. I replied back when I could and had time. But anyways, enough of that. Today's video, which is perfect for this video since I shared you with the news of Ansel being in the hospital and everything. So I wanted to teach you. Now, I will say I'm not a therapist or anything like that, but art is good for you because you can use it as therapy. And I took a Skillshare class, and she talked about mental health and everything, and drawing your feelings and what you're feeling that day. So say you're in bed and you don't want to get up that day. You're like, oh, I can't do art. I can't draw it. If you want to, you know, if you're happy that day, you know, you can draw that feeling. If you're sad or something, draw an umbrella or something. To cheer you up, put a happy face on it, and we know. But you know, art is versatile. It's about anything you create, and that what makes you you. I am going to be drawing and painting in my sketchbook today. My different. So also, once we get to the desk view of my desk, we'll be looking through examples as always, as I do on my channel when I have tutorials like this or something. But I will also be using my watercolors. I will show you this set. Sorry for the messiness. But this set I got it last Christmas, and I love it. So I've been using that ever since. So I love it. I'll be doing this H-artful sketchbook. Love these sketchbooks and everything. This is great. It's just want to get your art, get messy, and it's just $5. These are perfect. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go on with the video, and I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. I hope everyone had a safe Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe down below, turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a single video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and go on examples for you guys so you can get a general idea of what an example would be for this type art. Use art as therapy. I think that's a great idea, and I've been meaning to film this video for a while now, but I'm just not getting around to it because I know my dog Ansel is a lot better. So I just want to show you one of the exercises she did. She took us back when we were little kids. We would trace our hand, and she would say, have your feelings in both hands. And I just wrote down what I, you know, wanted to put my feelings as. And then over here, sometimes when I express myself, I use my persona. And I had done my meditation that morning for that day, and I did an ink and ballpoint, so I had fun with that. This page we're going to be doing together. If you want to copy this page, go right ahead. But you know, I have a cloud up here saying sometimes I want to stay away from my problems. And then down here, the sun's saying, but I want to look on the bright side. And then the sailboat down here is saying soon it will be sailing. And I thought that kind of pun was kind of clever and interesting, but sometimes we might not have good days. Sometimes it's okay to be positive. That's why I want this channel to come, because if you have those bad days, you can always come to this channel and feel like you can get inspired again or whatnot, and just create an art. You know, you don't have to just draw some circles on a page if that's all you feel like doing. At least you're doing something, but it's okay to also take a break and take care of yourself. This one right here is finally Friday. I was excited that Friday I drew a calendar, and that was actually yesterday, so I wanted to touch base on that. Here's for this morning. I was so cozy in my bed, and it was warm, it was toasty and everything, and I was like, you know what, I just want to stay in my bed all day, but I got stuff to do. And likewise, you know, you have that feeling you got stuff to do, and you're like, I gotta like get accomplished. So that's what I did for today. We're gonna be doing this page here together. So grab your, it's gonna be speed page, but I hope you guys like this quick sketch, and it feels so good to be back to YouTube, you guys, and talking to you. And I still don't get message notifications on my phone, so bear with me as I try to get back to each and every one of you, and I'll try to talk a little bit more. But other than that, I try to stay off Instagram, even though my break is over. I'm just busy, so anyways, I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a single video. And let's start painting. Here are my watercolors I am using, like I showed you in the intro. These are great watercolors. I've been using them all year for my ocean paintings and everything for that. So, and an ocean painting will be one of the videos as well coming up. So that'll be a lot of fun. So anyways, let's get on with the video. Okay, hey guys, I want to try a new editing format for you guys. Keep this in real time and do a voice over these videos so you guys can paint along with me and just relax and enjoy your day. I just want to go ahead and talk about how to draw your feelings and everything onto the page. You know, some days when we get up, we just don't want to get out of bed, or we don't want to do chores, we don't want to do anything. You know, that's okay. We can just make a to-do list and check things off to motivate us, or we can draw what we're feeling. So I came up with this little comic for that, which I read in the intro of the video. But I just wanted to say, not every day is going to be perfect. I don't have perfect days. And, you know, not everything, you know, it's only the little things that makes us happy. And, you know, you can't be happy all the time. Just take what it is on your hand. And you could carry you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but just take it day by day and take it easy. Sometimes we can be so hard on ourselves, and sometimes we might need a break. And that's what I've been doing the last 2 weeks, taking a break from social media. I really needed that break. I wasn't in trouble or anything, but it's just a lot going on, and you know, I'm trying not to, like, you know, but anyways, I just needed that break, and it felt good to get off social media. It felt good to, like, take a break. It's not that I don't love doing YouTube. I love you guys, but it can get burned out. So I'm back to making videos for you guys, and I'm really excited to be back, and I hope this video inspires you, that you too can take a break, and you can draw your feelings, and can get inspired again. And sometimes we just need to take care of ourselves and put ourselves first. But again, it's like, if you just need that break, it's easy to not do art, but if you're drawing your feelings, you can get something down on the page at least, right? So take one step at a time. Do a sketch or something and call it done. Do a painting if you want to. Do anything that makes your heart happy, or do something that will inspire you to create. But you don't always have to create. You don't always have to, like, post or I'm not saying not to do it, but I'm just saying if you need that momentum of taking a break, I think go for it. I'm not against art. I'm not against YouTube. I'm not against anything, but there was a lot going on with my dog, Ansel, and that really took a tone down on my well, I wouldn't say Thanksgiving, but like in general, it took a toll on me, and I wasn't sure if he was gonna be okay. I wasn't sure, like I was very worried about him. But right now he's doing great. He's doing a lot better, so I can report that. But I just wanted to mention, thank you guys for letting me take a break, 2-week break from YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell on so you don't miss this video, and go check out my H-artful store on Redbubble, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.